Welcome to this video introduction to forensic science. Forensic science is essentially science in the service of the law. Criminalists analyze, compare, identify, and interpret physical evidence. This cartoon humorously illustrates the idea of examining any available evidence. A forensic scientist's job involves processing and documenting crime scenes, collecting evidence, analyzing it in a lab, and reconstructing events to form the best theory of the case. Key skills for a forensic scientist include good observation, analytical skills to solve problems, and deductive reasoning to draw conclusions based on facts or evidence. Examples of physical evidence are wide-ranging, including imprints, broken glass, hairs, fibers, DNA, blood, documents, fingerprints, tool marks, firearms, and more. Forensic science has many specialties. For instance, forensic pathology determines the cause and manner of death. Forensic entomology studies insects to determine the time of death. Forensic odontology involves forensic dentists who identify human remains and analyze bite marks. Other specialties include forensic anthropology, which examines skeletal remains, forensic toxicology, which studies the effects of poisons, and forensic psychiatry and psychology, which evaluates offenders and handles criminal profiling. Forensic engineering investigates accidents and structural failures. Forensic computer science looks into the use of technology and electronic records in cases. Thank you for watching this introductory video on forensic science.